Welcome to Chris Parkin Shooting Sports. Today I'm with Cotswold Sporting down in the Cotswolds, and we are here for a Bergara Range day. So we're going to be shooting Bergara rifles, both rimfire and centrefire, from apparently 100 to 500 or 600 metres. So we shall see how we get on. Shooting's not really my thing, to be honest. Well, it is my thing, but today I'll be concentrating on seeing if I can pick up some information on the products and on the other people who are here shooting. We're mostly dealers here, so we had to watch some of your dealers shooting the rifles and getting hits out to 600 metres and 221 Creedmoor. So there we go. Right, battery light's flashing already, so best go swap the cell.
First things first, you'll be one-on-one supervised by the range staff, all in lovely high vis. Okay, so even if you've not shot much before, well, you know exactly what you're doing, everyone's going to be treated equally, and you'll be shooting from the benches in a fixed position at your set targets directed by the range staff. Okay. In terms of what's around us, so there are no footpaths through the range area. Okay, but that doesn't mean. Sorry? Trigger. I love the trigger. To go. Up. I'm spotting at 500.
Do you want to stay on 400 or are we going to go big boy and 6?
Yeah, we'll go
big boy and 6, alright. There we go. There we go. From the left 1-3, and it's that white tag you can see to the left.
To the left?
Yes.
In between the. So there's 3 targets in that.
Yeah, there's the. No, there's the.
5 o'clock, what, mate? Yeah, 5 o'clock.
Sorry. Ian, what are you giving for windage out that far?
What you do now is to close the bolt and put the bolt down.
Yeah. Close it.
Yeah, so
I'm going to go by the look of this gun. Might be
I'll push it forward, yeah. So if you do that and then.
Yeah.
So what you want is the crosshairs in the middle.
Yeah.
On that circle in the chest.
Oh yeah, that's it. That's fine there.
I don't know what they're doing with
You just put your finger on the trigger.
Yeah.
What you want to do is squeeze it because you've got no ammunition in. If you just really gently squeeze that trigger, try not to snap.
Just gently squeeze it.
Squeeze it.
Do that now, yeah?
Yeah.
I knew I should have done this earlier. 28 MOA.
Just so you get a feel for it.
Is that it?
Yeah, that was a good start,
The ammo
wasn't
in.
it? Well, with the ammo in. Right, do you want to just go through that procedure again? Just do another dry fire.
You want to stay on 6 or you want to go forward?
Yes.
Yeah. Very bony.
Well, that's not pretty.
One on the line.
Literally, the fingers dropped it in. It must have hit the deck for maybe 30 seconds.
People putting weights on me, it's not a great thing. I don't really need it anyway.
He's breathing underwater.
What's news, sir?
It's like, it's not normal.
You can get a full face.
Yeah, no, we're doing alright actually. I mean, not breaking any records. Yeah. It's alright. What's your face now? What are you in?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I know I saw Andrew in the
Right.
Yeah, okay.
600, yes?
Yes, please.
600, yes. Do me a favour, work the bolt, pull the trigger so you get used to it.
Okay.
Excuse me, please. There we go.
Yeah, it's holding 2 mils left on that.
There's a bit of wind kicking up.
I'm sure the police were busy this morning.
Oh yeah.
You are aiming at this. That's it. There's a 500 about there somewhere. Got a point of aim for that one on the left on there? Was it left edge or?
Yeah, no, one off. Full line off.
There we go.
Just find that trigger.
Chris, can you come in front of this thing, please?
Is it? Yeah.
Right, firing.
This one we that one in the.
So, sorry.
Centre.
Yeah. So,
You have to do it once naked. Don't tell him that he will.
I'm used to rugby toes.
That's not a target, that's your left-hand edge of the range.
Oh, okay. So it's the one.
So it's the one in the middle there, and then you've got another one that's to the right, slightly higher up.
Oh, just over top that.
Just to the right.
Just to the right.
You didn't give it enough left.
I would give it left edge because the wind's just died off a bit. So give it left edge, and I am spotting.
Cut me anyway. Delete.
Irene.
Just above again.
Again, still high. Third time's a charm.
There you go.
Range shoot off the right.
Do you want me to fill the...
Yeah, I do.
Sorry, you're going to run the 2 2s? Yeah, I'm going there.
Yeah, so I would probably go.
Tell you what, it's Miller ratings on there, isn't it? So you should have number 2 there. You see number 2 on the right hand side of the reticle? Put that dead centre and then send it around.
And it's all filmed on 2 cameras. It looks like it's winding down in order.
There you go.
Off the start and finish.
That's a stalking rifle, so you're sitting on the ground.
There's a whole list as well if you've seen it. There's additional stuff that was on the offer list, which obviously was showed.